What's going on YouTube? Blitz here, back with another video, and today we have a bit of a safari hunt. This time I have a lot of the select blasters right in front of you, and we are going to try to look for those animal prints. There's 6 of them right now. I don't know, we'll see if we really can get a tiger prism. It says right there it's ultra rare, right? So there's gonna be it's gonna be probably longer than usual, but hopefully we get it. I'm just going to fast forward on the ripping of the plastic for each one so that the video doesn't become too long. But yeah, just let's have some fun, and I might be doing a giveaway for my Singapore subscribers. Once I figure out how to do international, maybe I'll do international as well. But for now, stay tuned to my local subscribers here in Singapore. I might give away like 3 of the hits from this video, 3 or 6. Let's see how I'm feeling once we're done. Okay. But for now, let me fast forward a bit, and yeah. Catch you when I rip open everything. Alright, there you go. So here are all of the packs in all their glory. I can feel really good hits, fire flames, everything coming up from them. May they be blessed by Superman boss cards and Scorpio boss card right here off to the side. It doesn't matter whether we mix them up. The important thing is this is a tiger. I don't want to say the animal unless I get flagged. But yeah, let's get started, shall we? First pack, everybody. Imagine if I hit it on the first try and then I have to stop the video. Alright, we have Trey Young, nice back-to-back concourse. Jonathan Isaac, Flash Prism of D'Angelo Russell. Alright, next one. Alright, so for the giveaway, all you need to do is, of course, be subscribed to the channel. Tatum, Eric Gordon, Theo Maladin. Be subscribed to the channel and like the video. And then I need you guys to comment on the video about your hottest take. Ooh, nice. Select company, and it's Flash Prism for KD. I need you to comment your hottest take, hottest controversial take for this upcoming season. This, the reason why I'm opening so many select boxes is pretty much winding down on off season. Very excited to start with the new season here. Ooh, Cole Anthony, RC again. And let me have it. Just comment, what do you think will happen? Could be a popular opinion, could be not. Just, I want hot takes everywhere. IQ, Isaac Okoro, and Tyrell Terry. All right, and I'm gonna choose 2 winners. Hopefully, if we have enough participants. 2 winners, local, Singapore only. And let's see, John Wall, courtside. No rookies in this pack. Alright, that was pretty much it for the first blaster. I would say the biggest one would be that KD Flash Prism. So yeah, comment, and I'll choose 2 winners. I'll pick 3 of the hits from a select company again, Jimmy Butler, from this whole pack opening, or from this whole set of blasters to give away. And yeah, so stand by for that as well. I'll probably announce it on my Instagram. Oh, nice. James Wiseman, Lonzo Ball Premier. Anthony Edwards, Flash Prism. All right, good one. All right. And so yeah, I mean, as of the recording of this video, Media Day is ongoing. Lots of talks. Zignaji, Poku, and Azubuike. Lots of talks about vaccinations and all that. So it could really affect your team, you know, especially for star players like Kyrie. Imagine if he doesn't get to play at all. Ooh, tricolor AE, very nice. That's gonna be tough. I'm just gonna randomly pick. Doesn't matter anyway. We're hunting for the animal prints. Jaden McDaniels, Spicy P, Dante DiVincenzo, and silver for Dame Time. Cards are all over the place. I feel a little bad for Jaden McDaniels and probably some of the rookies from the Hornets as well, because they're not bad players by any account, right? But it's because of they're not the ones we're chasing for, so usually people are disappointed when they see them. But you know, they still have potential, right? They're still good players. And I think I don't know where I saw it, but I think one of the box breaks I saw one comment saying that whenever he sees Grant Riller, so he'd say Grant Riller, the mood killer. All right, Poku's here, Rui, and Precious Achua. Nice Flash rookie as well. So definitely raining rookies. That is, again, I'm just randomizing here, so it doesn't matter. Oh, Luka Concourse, Halliburton, Malcolm Brogdon, Premier, and Duncan Robertson. Congratulations on the extension. He is definitely a sharp shooter. Defense is a little bit questionable. I'm sure he's working on that. Fred VanVleet, Peyton Pritchard, Elijah Hughes, and D Rose. I'll fix all of that in terms of the hits later for the recap. But for now, I'm just trying to quickly. Ooh, Obi Toppin, Premier, Patty Mills. All right. So yeah, for your comment, just try to give your best prediction, what's going to happen to your team. Zignaji rookie selections. Premier Zion, not bad. Let's take from this pack. All right. Another cat at the back. AD. Hopefully he gets Jaden McDaniels, Premier. Hopefully he is healthy for the entire season. I think Lakers definitely have a chance. People keep harping on their age, but it's all about health, right? Who's the healthiest during the playoffs? Nice Flash Prism for Tyrese Halliburton. Yeah, still got a lot of packs left. We shall see if there is an animal among us, a beast, if you will. Azubuike for courtside, and Azubuike Flash Prism, back to back there. Another John Morant and RJ Hampton. And let's see. Come on, come on. Oh. Anthony Edwards, Anthony Davis, 2 Anthonys, and Precious Achua. Oops. Let's keep this going. Cards are starting to pile up. Let's see this pile. Alright, we have Tobias Harris, Ben Simmons. Hopefully he gets his affairs in order. That's another thing. That could be your hot take. You could comment, where do you think Ben Simmons is going to end up in? Is he just going to eat all the fines that you know he's going to get from his team? Ah, Flash Prism numbers. Very nice. And we have a signature for Mr. Kevin Werter. All right. Not bad. Signatures from Blasters. Always welcome. From the Atlanta Hawks. Do you guys think Trae Young's gonna go ham again this season? Do you guys think Kyrie will eventually get vaccinated? Oh, LBJ Premier. Jaden McDaniels still there. Yeah, I think that's the 3rd hit for him of Jaden McDaniels. Let's see. This does not want to open. Maybe the animal is here. Victor Oladipo, Isaac Okoro, D'Lo, Courtside, Brook Lopez, Flash Prism, and Premier. So Isaac Okoro is our rookie there. Alright, the way I'm counting, we still have about 10 packs left. So still definitely a chance. Alright, Steph Curry, Never Worry, Luka Doncic, Jason Tate, and Daniel Oturu. Jason Tate sounds like a name for an R&B singer. Like a Jason Derulo. I don't know. D-Rose, I see tricolor at the back. Kyrie Lewis Jr., KP for Courtside, CJLB tricolor. Alright. Okay. Down to just a few packs left. Not sure if we're going to get any animal prints. But so far, not bad. It's been raining rookies. Flash Prism, I think that's the 2nd one for Steven Adams. Aquaman always making his appearance. One of the strongest dudes in the NBA. We have Tyrese Halliburton, Fred VanVleet, Malachi Flynn, and silver for Malcolm Brogdon. Alright. 2 rookies there. Okay, next one. Okay, does not want to open. Suspicious. Very suspicious. Alright. There you go. Jason Tatum. Kenyon Martin. Premier LaMelo Ball, finally. And Jalen Smith, Premier as well. Alright, always good to see LaMelo. Kyrie at the back. We have Sabonis, Zach LaVine, Aaron Baines, and Kyrie Lewis Jr. Is it Kyra or Kira? I need to check that. Might be mispronouncing his name. Kawhi Leonard at the back. That is a Flash Prism. We have Azubuike, the GOAT in his premiere. Moving to the Bulls, Duncan Robinson. Last 4, everybody. Let's see an animal print. All right. Ooh, courtside. Halliburton. Nice. Azubuike again. Oh, very nice. Courtside Hallie. Show that again, just because it's awesome. All right. Okay, LBJ. Precious Achua, Lauri Markkanen, and Jamal Murray. Precious would be our... Okay, last 2 packs. Let's see. Bradley Beal, Kawhi Leonard, and Draymond Green. All right, RC's over here. Last one. Another Kawhi, Theo Maledon, Joel Embiid, and Markelle Fultz. All right, so there you have it. I'm gonna fix this up. Give me a while, guys. I'll be back in a flash. All right, guys, before I try to organize everything, I don't want to accept defeat just yet. I would like to have another shot at this. I am adding a mega box to this video just to see if there's any shot at getting those highly coveted cards. And we are opening it from below. Maybe that helps, I don't know. But yeah, let's try opening up one mega box. Let's get 8 more packs in and see what, if there's a chance that our little safari hunt will be successful. I'll pick out all the prizes. I said 2 sets of 3 cards each for local subscribers. Marcus Smart, Peyton Pritchard, and Cracked Ice. Very beautiful. Alright. Ooh, LBJ at the back. Very nice. Eric Bledsoe, Lincoln Robertson. Did I? Oh. Okay. That was my mistake. Duncan Robertson, Josh Okogie. I'm just seeing things. From the back, I thought it was like, it said James, but it's Barnes. That is unfortunate. Thought I was going to get at least a premiere of LeBron. Not a knock on Harrison Barnes, though. Alright, Christian Wood, courtside. We have upside down Victor Oladipo in Silver Hobby. And Josh Green, Fred VanVleet. What else? We still have a few more. With that Phoenix Suns at the back. Ooh, finally another LaMelo. Only our second LaMelo. Ooh, nice. Another good Halliburton hit. And numbers Cracked Ice there for Jalen Smith. Alright, winding down. Okay, we have Andre Drummond, Peyton Pritchard, Onyeka Okongwu, and KP. Alright, last 12 cards, 3 packs. Aaron Naismith, John Wall, Draymond Green, rookie selections for Isaiah Stewart. Not bad. Last 2 packs. I guess we will not see any animals around. Oh well. Jaden McDaniels. Alright, Trae Young. Cracked Ice. Very nice. and Zion Williamson for his second year card. Cards are all over the place now. Last pack. Do you believe in miracles? Alright, we have Spicy P, Terry Rozier, yeah, John Moran, Flash Prism again, and DeAndre Ayton in his tricolor concourse. Alright, there you go. I'm going to try again to fix all of this, and then we will finalize the 6 cards total that I will be giving away. Thank you so much, guys. Alright guys, so here we have some of our hits. I had to split up all the rookie cards into 2 stacks because there were just too many. But yeah, lots of good ones. I think I had good Anthony Edward hits, James Wiseman. Yeah, James Wiseman again, Poku. Oh yeah, Halliburton, very nice. You know, we didn't get the thing that we were hoping for, the thing that we were chasing. Look at that, very cool. But regardless, you know, the packs themselves, the boxes themselves did not disappoint in terms of hits. They are definitely giving out LaMelo Premier right there. A couple of courtsides. There you go. So yeah, you know, always nice. Oops, this is not a rookie, but it is a good hit. That's supposed to be in this stack. Yeah, AEs right there, 2 variations. Very nice for the PC. And yeah, since KD wanted to show himself, definitely a nice Flash Prism there for KD. Looking for another great season. Could be the scoring champ once more. Always good to see him healthy. There you go. Court sides, Flash Prism D'Lo, a couple of Jaws, a couple of Zions as usual. And for the giveaway, so I decided I'll give 5 cards to 2 lucky subscribers that are commenting. I'll choose by random. So the first guy will receive 3 vets and 2 rookies. So we have Jason Tatum, Marcus Smart in his Premier Silver, Malcolm Brogdon Premier Silver, Jalen Smith here Premier, and Tyrell Terry on his Hobby Silver Concourse. And the second guy or girl will be receiving tricolor Harrison Barnes, the one that I thought was LeBron James, Jamal Murray Premier here, Flash Prism for Precious Achua, Theo Maledon RC in silver, and Trae Young base. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for bearing with me in this pretty long video. Fortunately, the hunt was not successful, but I had fun regardless. Always fun to rip a lot of packs and sharing it with you guys. So thank you so much. Appreciate. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment as well. Thank you. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.